I'm gonna teach you about Google Docs. If you don't want to know how to use Google Docs, you can just go to type in docs.google.com. It's just simple. Just type in that. Then you're gonna be in this page. You can find like templates, but for this video we have to use blank documents so you can understand it. So you're opened here with templates, meeting notes, email draft, and more. What that was used to be here. So if you know, you can just type in your document. I'll just type in docs because it's also, we all know this thing. We all know edit this thing. From you can have like mode, which you couldn't do. Editing, edit documents, suggesting, and viewing. In comments, you can hide comments, minimize comments, or expand comments. I'll just put hide comments. And then you don't, and then you just, so, just go. Insert image, everyone knows that. You can hear that table with like building blocks. So like what, so you see those two stuff. And then when you insert an image, you can upload from Premiere, search for web drive photos, camera, or viral something, and I'll just put like a simple image that I'd put like this. If you can also insert an image here, then you just see down stuff here. Just building, talked about it. Smart shapes for like date, people, file, calendar, event, placeholder chips, drop. I'm not doing place, but do calendar event. I know this is my birthday. Wait, I remember this. Okay. It actually changes it. Then we see audio buttons, which is list tab. This is the newer one. E-signature is premium. So I don't know how to use it. So I'm not talking about that. Link is like Control K. Drawing, I think, to do it like from I'm just gonna do it from Drive. Doing it from Drive. It's like you can just insert this drawing and then put it insert. It has to be a Google Drawing. But you can see these things. I'll just put insert unlinked. Link to sources only editors can update the drawing. Collaborators can see a link to their source. You can already see this drawing. Link is up chart. It probably would be from Sheets, but I'm gonna talk about that. For now, we'll just use the pie. Also, I don't even know how to edit this because I'm not so good at the thing app. So symbols is emoji, characters, equation. I'll put special characters. Let's see it. Any? Yeah, I don't find any of them. You can pick any of them if you want to. Tab. It's Shift plus F11. Horizontal line is just a horizontal line. Bookmark is a bookmark. I don't even know why there's a bookmark. So now let's do format. Format is like text, which you can be like bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, size, capitalization. The bold, italic, and underline are already here, so you don't even need to go to format. Paragraph styles. There's already paragraph styles like here, and indent, left center. Justify these things. All these. Let's just not talk about these format stuff. Headers and footers. Let's just. You can pick anything. I'll just say. I'll just put 0.5. Well, well, actually, now this is actually a fake thing. Fake thing. Don't have page numbers. Obviously, it's like the number of the page. You can have as many pages as you want, I guess, but I think it's just broken after you have so many pages. Print orientation. Apply to whole document selected content. I'll just put selected content. It's probably like this. Like I said, I'm not. Pageless format is using pageless format. The pageless format allows you to wide images and tables and consume content without the interruption of page breaks. You can change the format any of your documents from a file. The page setup, got it. But we're not doing so just like that. Just like that. Switch it to pages at the same thing. Table, same thing. Wait. Oh wait. There's like insert all of these deletes, pin header, distribute rows and columns, just columns. Split cell, I don't even know how to use these because they're all available. Split cell. Oh yeah, it's both columns and rows. Rows. Get sort ascending. Type, date drop down file. Table options. What are these? So it's like quick layout, table, column, row, cell, and color. Oh, wait, color. So you can. Oh yeah, so you can pick any color. Yeah, you can pick any color, but it's only like these are like the default colors. I'll just put green. So background color would be. I'll put green because I don't. Yeah, and probably just X. It's not like something. Tools, spelling and grammar. That's obviously. Ding. Control Alt X. Word count. You count the words. Control Shift C. That's how much. So pages 1, words 4, characters 37, and spaces 34. No, tools. E-signature, just don't focus on the things. Audio is obviously audio. Voice typing is being with your voice. Translate is like translate the doc to a different language. Let me use this. Choose a language. Should type in it. Wait, no. Wait. Oh yeah, that's my. That's like. Then this actually takes you to a different place. Unfortunately, it doesn't for me. It didn't actually translate it. Just yeah. It's like review suggested edits. Suggested edits are like if you see anything that is like kind of wrong or not so good, you can just use that. Okay, so compare documents means they can compare and then yeah, you just like select the my drive and then this is my name. Let's not use it. No, let me try using it. Documents. I'm gonna use from my drive. No. Maybe like Google Earth. Google Earth. Wait, why did it? Oh, open. Okay. Oh wait, so you basically, it's meaning you basically get taken to another thing. So you're comparing yourself. Why did I? Well, I'm not reloading. I'm just closing the tab. Tools, citations, or citations. I think this looks like a Hangouts logo. If you know what's that? Source type is like a book or book section. Say website. No, what's actually? No, wait, film. I'll just say film. Says by online. Wait, I don't even want to do this. I don't cannot do all of it. So just figure out yourself. Line numbers. It's basically like that thing right over here. Linked objects. What if you link it? Actually, have to link an object. Like, for example, like a picture. I think. I'll just make that. Tools. It's dictionaries where you can find the words. Oh, we already. Notification settings. Everything is like all comments for you, none. Add or removed content, none. It's good. Comments and edits. And edits. Why is it 11 minutes and 52 seconds? Preferences. What's this? Yeah, okay, so it's general and substitutions. I know you have to automatically capitalize words. I don't mark that. What's this? I'll just enable that for something else. Substitutions icon. I don't even know how to use this. So like I said, I'm not like Google Docs, but accessibility, I noticed like this. You just said like stuff that like random stuff that most people don't even know. Extensions, add-ons like app scripts. It's the built-in one. What's add-ons? I'm getting menu. Search for the menu. Use just help for dogs. Training is like training. Just training yourself with this app. Updates are like updates that improve your Google Docs privacy policy. Everyone has this terms of service. Keyboard shortcuts. I mean, Control plus. Wait. Okay, so let me type in something. Yeah, it takes you to this thing. Boy, yeah, you have to like everything. Just follow these. Like these are like the simplest ones. Alt Shift. Never knew that. It's Control period. I don't know. No. Okay, now let's get to like the bottom. Okay, wait. Yeah, it's basically the same. Just you can actually make a video. That's like in Google Slides. No, everyone knows this thing. Yeah, everyone knows this. Paint format. Probably. Wait. Let me boost the. Wait. Why can't I use? Okay. So fit. So mine's 100%. Just I recommend you to use 100%, but only because if you don't use 100%, it's gonna be probably too small for someone to see it. Normal text is like these. So for Arial, we have like recent TikToks. Comment for the signs. I'm just using my favorite one, Georgia. You see, like the font size is like how big are your letters and words. We already went over this. Text colors, like change the color of your text. Highlight color is like highlighting your words. Insert link. Wait, yeah, it's meaning you're actually linking. Oh yeah, you're linking a link. Then add comment. I don't know why. Insert image. You can. That's what everyone knows that. Then everything that you see more. editing mode. Hide the menus is basically you're hiding the menus. Just let's just get rid of this. I'm not wanting to talk. This is like the Google Meet troll comments. That was seconds ago. Share is everything. And this is and Google Docs is basically blue. So why did I have so many? Also, why do I have so many copies? Let's just delete this copy. Delete this copy also. Maybe not that one because I might have to use it for another one. We'll play docs. Also, in doc, you can also in desktop you can actually change it to doc like Word as a Word file. I changed it to on iPad. It's actually easy. All you do is just click on this thing and then you see like make it like a Word file. It's like the W. It's not blue though, so be careful. And if you want to know how to make it, then you can just go. The simplest way on desktop is go to Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert. It's the easiest one. I'll just select it from Google. Select it from Google Drive. No, delete. Select the Google Drive. Like we already did. Like Docs. Also, if you actually make some like this, it actually it's a Google sheet. Also, if some PDFs are actually have to be from Docs, so let's use like Docs. It's an ODT. Let's change to a DO. A Docs. Docs is like the Word file. If I actually use Cloud Convert, yes, you can see and download. Okay, need to delete. Also, well, yeah, you see this button right here. Wait, why did everything get deleted? Well, that's all to learn from Google Docs.